Okay.
All right, Ms. Greenspan.
Okay, so hi, I'm Dorie Greenspan. I'm a cookbook author. Actually, I'm a cookbooks author. It's hard to say. I've written 14 cookbooks. My newest is Baking with Dorie, and I've won a bunch of awards, and I've worked with some fabulous people. Among them, my friend Julia Child. All through, so it's 30 years since my first cookbook came out, and all through this time, what I've really wanted to do was get people into the kitchen. That's my work, that's my job, is to get all of you into the kitchen. I think of myself as an evangelist for home bakers and cooks. And in my new newsletter, XOXO Dorie, I have recipes and I have tips. And it's my hope that when you read this newsletter, you will want to come into the kitchen. You'll want to cook. You'll want to bake. You'll take pleasure in making food and sharing it. So come. There's room at the table. There's usually a cake on the counter. Sometimes there are cookies. There's always something good to eat. And if you're like me, you even keep a cookie. Who ate my cookie? This cookie was whole when I started. You took my cookie. You took my cookie. Bye.